largest fish species in the world. With a potential length of up to 40 feet, 12 meters, it is an awe-inspiring sight. Despite its immense size, the whale shark is a gentle giant, relying on filter feeding to sustain itself. Its enormous mouth serves as a filter, allowing it to consume copious amounts of plankton and small fish with each pass. Its distinctive appearance features a grayish-blue coloration, a broad head, and a pattern of light spots and stripes that creates a unique and mesmerizing appearance as it gracefully glides through the ocean.